what you see around you is a makerspace. So a makerspace is actually a space that's like open to the public, and so it has a bunch of tools which everyone can use to create things. Like for example, our main thing is like 3D modeling and 3D printing, but we also have like tools like laser cutters, programming as well. So we use Arduinos to teach kids how to program. And so they can use all these tools that we have around to create basically anything. For example, if you want maybe some glasses that you want to 3D print, you can just like model that on a computer and then just print that out as you would like with a 2D document. And so let's say if you want a small car, or if you would want a cup that you can hold, or maybe basically anything that you can think of, you can just 3D print it. It specifically is to show everybody well, if you have an idea, that you can just create it by having all the tools available for you. When you come here, we're actually going to be available for you. So we're going to show you and guide you through your project. If you're like a student that want to maybe 3D print something for a project, and we want to like model that from a start, we'll just like be there and guide you through the process of 3D modeling and 3D printing. Anyone who wants to, well, make something can just enter here. So it's not actually age specific. So maybe like primary to like old age can just like come in here and basically make their imagination become a reality.
Essa aqui tá em Arubiano, o website